We are here in the Sure Heaven, Ocean 27, where my daughter work. They're closed today. Monday and Tuesday, they're closed during winter time. So it's very quiet here. And then also, it's quiet in the oval. There's only 3 people there. And then they were open 7 days a week during what's that, from September to May, starting June, July, August, because it's very cold. There's no much customer, so they're closed Monday and Tuesday. Before, they really closed Monday and Tuesday, but when the owner sold to the other owner, they open it every day. But since it is summer, they went back to close 2 days a week. But they will open again by September or last week of August. Kasi hindi na masyadong malamig yung last week of August. In between August, that's ang pinaka-worst na lamig. July. Yeah, just like now. Very cold. We called here, the place here is Sure Heaven, but I think Ocean 27 also.
Come here, Bentley! Come here, Bentley! Oi! Oi! Bentley!
Meadow grass. So many people do walking here with the children, with the dog. Diyos ko. Sana, I wish na kahit summer, pinkish yung mukha ko. Winter lang nagpipink tong mukha ko. Pero sa summer, hindi na. Dito kasi sobrang lamig, kaya nagpipink yung face ng mga tao. Ay, yung mga puti, lagi yung nagpipink eh. Pinkish yan. Yung mga ano lang. Ay, ewan ko. Basta. Ewan ko kung lahat bang Asian nagpipink. Basta ako, nagpipink yung mukha ko kapag winter. Pero pag summer, wala na. Kasi, hinihingal ako. Paakyat kasi, Paakyat. 2 days akong hindi naglakad. Sumasama lang ako sa asawa ko doon sa Burns Beach. Kasi hindi ko na talaga makayanan. Ang sakit ang paa ko. Kasi pag nasa Burns Beach kami, sobrang tagal yung lakad namin. Kasi ang ganda kasi, nakalimutan ko na mahaba na pala yung nilalakad namin. And the end, yung paa ko ang sobrang sakit. Ito ang sa kabila na car park. Hanggang dito ako, and then pabalik ako. Tapos yan, pababa na naman. Pababa. Diyos ko. Hinihingal ako. Okay. I think that's all. Kasi hinihingal ako. Hanggang doon sa may dagat. Anuhin ko hanggang doon sa may dagat. Ang sarap maglakad kapag yung background is very very nice, tapos may dagat. Lahat ng lugar na niwalk namin, yung malapit lang sa amin ito, at saka yung Amberton, yung talagang Eglinton yung Amberton. Ito, Alkimos na ito, katabi ng Eglinton. Pero walking, pwede pa rin maglakad. Tapos yung Jindalee, hindi pa ako nakabalik sa Jindalee. At saka yung Burns Beach, lahat yan along the coast. So, along the coast. Kaya, ang sarap sa pakiramdam na naglalakad ka na. May, may wave. You have the music while you're walking. Pababa. Hanggang dito lang may mga tao. Hindi ko pwedeng i-front yung camera sa may mga tao. Dito kasi nagagalit yung mga tao pag nakikita yung mukha. Yung mukha nila inaano sa camera. Kaya, yan. After this, I had to go around the oval. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Tapos after this, pabalik na naman ako. Pero hindi na ako papuntang hill. Sa oval na lang ako. Kasi ayoko doon. Hinihingal ako. Okay lang sa akin yung oval. Palibot-libot. 360 steps. Sa steps ko, yung oval, 1 round. Okay, bye-bye.